How did I get in touch with hypnosis? It happened 4 years ago, back in 2016, when my income level lowered to its half. Back then, I attended a 3 days personal development seminar where I went through a few sessions of hypnosis. After 3 weeks, a friend of mine called me to have a beer and proposed me a new business. After 2 months, my income doubled, and in time I quit the old business. So I go back to the man who conducted that 3 day seminar, and I became a hypnotherapist and I started to work with people. I have a 10-month baby boy and I'm proud of him. And when my wife was pregnant with him in her 3rd month, she's got a cold with fever and cough. She didn't agree to use medication because she was pregnant. So I did a healing trance for her in that night, and in the morning she already was better, and in the afternoon she was completely healed.